Hi, I'm Jason, and in this video we will explain what a compact filter is and what it does. RP compact filters are typically used when you have a variable airflow in a ventilation system. A conventional bag requires set airflows to keep it inflated. A rigid bag, or compact, doesn't inflate as it's rigid. Compact filters are also sometimes called rigid bag filters, as they can in some applications take the place of a conventional bag filter. They can be much smaller or compact, hence the name, with a comparable fixed length of just 292 millimeters. A regular bag filter can be more energy efficient, such as our Genergy or J-Flow products, which have a really high energy rating. Rigid bag filters are great for controlling fine particles such as smoke or even viruses using the higher grade models.